Hey everybody, I'm Robert. We're here at Limited Spec. This is our brand new 2024 Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom. We are the only official Mansory dealer in North America. This vehicle we fully equipped with a Mansory body kit, including the front bumper, side skirt extensions, fenders, rear bumper. The grille actually is orange, mandarin orange, to combine with the mandarin orange interior, along with the Spirit of Ecstasy logo as well and Rolls-Royce emblem. Along the front, you'll notice the vehicle is equipped with a forged carbon fiber lip along with forged carbon fiber hood, and the fender is completely redone with the Mansory emblems as well. The wheels are 24-inch Mansory wheels that they also have the orange Mansory accents. So the list of options that we equipped this vehicle with continues in the rear. We actually installed a Mansory rear bumper along with a Mansory forged carbon fiber diffuser and a Mansory forged carbon fiber spoiler and blacked out reflectors.